Hi everyone, welcome to our Eproctor System. This is a client side for our staff. After I hit the Run button, I will first come to the login page. I will first type an invalid username, fill in other fields, and hit Login button. Yes, of course, I am rejected by the server and see this pop-up window indicating my error. Now, I log in with the correct information and successfully arrive at the main page for staff, which is the announcement page as default. On the top left corner is our logo of this Eproctor. Below is a tool panel for the staff to switch between the announcement page and exam page. On the right is the main panel showing the announcement regarding exams. On top, you can see this welcome message and the two buttons, Log Out and Help. I will go back to login page if I click the Logout button, but I'm not going to show it. When I click the Help button, the instructions on how to use this application pop up. You can see as the menu buttons, I can easily access the information for students, staff, and the functionalities in exam. Finally, you are able to contact the developers. Below the table, now I click the exam button on the left tool panel and move on to the staff exam page. Firstly, I can see the list of exams that I need to invigilate in a table. I may also sort the table by the sequence of values of certain column and simply by clicking the column name. Below the table, I can see the next exam for me to invigilate, and the time counts down. I can click the Ready Exam button to enter the exam, which by default should be within half an hour before the exam starts. Otherwise, I will be rejected by the server and see a pop-up window to indicating my error. Now I'm in the invigilation page and waiting for the students to enter this exam. Now student 1 entered this exam, which I can get a server message from the message button on the left. The student comes in. Her video panel appears black, which means server is connecting the webcam on the server side. Now I can see the live video of the student. Once she is connected, beside the video, I can check against the student's info, ID, and name. If they are not matched or the student has some suspicious behaviors, I can capture image of the video and at the same time can make comment of the strange behaviors, which will be both sent to the server for future reference. During the exam, I can send a message to all students in the exams as the examination announcement. I can also choose to communicate with an individual student separately. A student can also communicate with me using this panel. You see, a student sent a hi to me. After students have submitted their paper and left the exam, I may also click the exit button to leave this page. And a pop-up window appears to let me mark the suspicious students if they are cheating. And now, I return to the staff main page. Thank you very much.